Hi guys, Marty Davis, MarineMax, Lake Ozark, Missouri. I got on our new 320 Sundancer. This is a stern drive vessel. Has a black hull, dune interior. Just got it rigged. It's got the large Simrad screens, 6.2 V8 motors, joystick docking, optioned with the grill, fridge, and trash receptacle, cockpit heat and air, runs off a generator or shore power. Stepping out to the rear real quick. Boat has the submersible platform, sea deck throughout. Step down into the cabin. Boat has microwave, refrigerator, front berth TV, and a nice head. Have any questions about this boat? Give us a call here at the marina at Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you very much.